Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make onion pilau rice. Before I start, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. To make 2 portions of onion pilau rice, you will need 1 cup of basmati rice, 1 onion, brown or white, 1/4 cup of oil, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, 2 green cardamom pods, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of hot water plus around 50 milliliters for pureeing the onions. Start by rinsing the rice with cold water until the water runs clear, then soak in clean water for 15 minutes. While the rice is soaking in a pan, combine the onions with the oil and cook over medium heat until golden brown. This will take about 15 minutes. Once fried, remove from the oil and place half of the onions on a paper towel to drain, and puree the other half with around 50 milliliters of water until you get a smooth paste. Add the cumin seeds, bay leaf and cardamom pods to the pan and cook over a medium heat for around 1 minute. Strain the rice and add that to the pan along with the salt and hot water. Add the pureed onions and stir through. Bring to a boil, stir and cover the pan. Reduce the heat to its lowest setting and cook for 15 minutes. Fluff the rice with a fork. Gently fold through the remaining fried onions and serve. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.